James! Look at mommy! Ay, naku, ayaw magpakita ng mukha. Arte-arte. Uy! Ang arte ng anak ko. Come na. I wanted to see your face. Oh, we're gonna show them the leaves colors changing. Come on. Now.
Down the part.
See? The leaves colors are changing. It's officially fall. Fall with a hint of winter.
Fall with a hit of destroyer.
See its colors. Nice. There's color red, yellow, brown, green leaves. And tomorrow we're gonna go to where?
Bichaka!
We're gonna go to Petit tomorrow.
No, Bichaka!
Say Petit.
Bichaka!
See you tomorrow, Petit.
We go, guys, you.
We're gonna go to Petit Mountain now.
If mommy will get the directions.
Head north toward Lake Point.
What did he say? He's gonna go back to sleep and hide his head.
Going to Petit now. We're still at Maumelle.
Because we asked him to.
So what do you do if we wanted to hug the truck? We're gonna raise our hand and do this. Can you do that?
And some reason I found
We are 17 minutes away from Petit Eugenio. It's nice. Big farms. That is the mountain that we're going. Giant rainbow. Looks cool. So we're gonna go on top of that. You excited? Oh, you see? What color did you see? Brown. Look at that. Beautiful. There's different colors. It has yellow, brown,
What is it?
going on.
What?
Gold. The what? Yeah. Going up on the mountain. We're going on a hilly road. We're going on a roller coaster road. We're going on a mountain. Going on a top.
Yellow.
Whoa!
Ah!
Careful, Daddy.
If you do it like a roller coaster, you might crash.
Are you excited to see the mountain with full of colors?
Is my friends coming?
No,
Why?
just only us. It's a family time. What can you say about the view? Look at the view. Whoa, so pretty.
Is there a gravestone?
I have no idea. Say cheese. Eugenia, look at me. I want to say that. Roll over. Look at that view. It's pretty. What can you say about the view, Virginia?
The water seems a bit drowning.
Look at that. Watch out. Be careful. Virginia, be careful. Hold tight the pad. You have to look at me. Bad, careful. Look at me, look at me. I'll take a picture of you. Hey, look, don't do, not too close. Look at me. 3 of you. 1, 2,
Is she there? No? But is she there?
Who is there?
Is Jean there?
Not sure.
Why there's no gravestone?
There's a stone there.
It's down
No
somewhere.
gravestone.
You're not supposed to go around it.
Okay. A gravestone.
I know, so she's not really buried here, huh?
No, she's not buried there.
Then why are we here?
Because it's a tourist attraction for the state.
Okay. Look at that. Pretty.
Where are you going?
Oh,
You want to ride there, Bubba?
you won't. You get injured.
That's okay. We got 2 more spots.
Hold on tight, bub.
Where are we going now?
You ready to go to the lodge?
Where's the lodge? Where the food are?
Where the food is, yes.
Okay, let's go to the food. We haven't been there.
Yes, we have.
No, we're not.
13 years ago, well no, 9 years ago we've been there.
Do you know what that is?
I have no idea.
That used to be like a lodge for when the kids would come up here and camp. They would stay there.
So they didn't take care of it.
Honey, they're all dead.
Really? Oh well. Your legs.
They still hurt.
You grumpy mood now? Because that's why I told you stop moving around. You keep moving around. You were like kitty kitty.
I'm trying to move. I'm trying to stay still.
Now he's blaming Pat. You pushed me, Pat.
You blamed me at first.
Oh. You blamer. Mother Lodge.
Mathers Lodge.
Mother Lodge.
Mathers.
Ay, naku, ang hirap pronounce.
They're just making nonsense words, Daddy.
Going to eat.
Dripping like gold, you got me so wild. Dripping like gold, I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen.
Huh?
Dripping like gold, you got me so wild. I'm out of control. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Dripping like gold, you got me so
Mother's
wild.
mother.
I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a
I
queen.
can't pronounce Ready? We're going now. Push. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh, it's so cold. Let's move on the side. Virginia, move on the side. Ah, just being gentleman. Oh. We are going to the lake. Beach.
There's no beach on the top of a mountain.
We'll see, maybe there is.
There's not.
We're going to the lake. We're going to the lake.
Lake. Stay closer to Daddy, Eugenio. Lake. Lawak ng lake, and there's a lake, a boat. Me. Look at me. Look at me. Take picture. Say cheese. I'll get closer. Look at me. Come on, look at me. Look at me. 1, 2, 3, cheers.
That can do it.
Climbing.
Climbing up that
We are heading home. Bye bye, beautiful trees. Say bye bye.
farts, farts, beautiful farts.
Oh, nonsense word, Eugenio. Beautiful trees. Bye.
Let's go to McDonald's. It's a big guy is running away.
We're gonna what?
Gonna this truck.
We're gonna make this truck honk.
Everybody ready?
Yes. Here we go. Let's ready.
Go.
Let's go.
No, doesn't
He's not honking.
He's not honk. He's not
paying
honking.
attention and he left us.
Aww, he doesn't want it to honk.
The truck didn't understand. He didn't pay the attention to honk.
We are so close to the truck. Over there, we're gonna try them to honk. Okay, Eugenio.
Get ready.
Okay.
Honk, 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 honk.
Go!
Honk, 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 honk. Oh,
We found another one.
What
he's
happened?
not honk.
Not paying attention. Paying attention to the
He's
road.
not paying attention. Oh, down too.
He's paying.
Let's try the other truck over there.
He's trying to
Let's try
pay.
another one over
He's
there.
trying to pay attention to the road.
We're closer to the next truck. Here you go.
Here,
Let's see if the truck will gonna honk.
ready?
Everybody ready?
Yes. Go. Honk, 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 honk.
Still paying attention to the road.
He's not paying attention. Down.
No, there's 3 down.
3 down. Let's try it again.
Here we go.
Here you
It's
go.
Walmart truck.
Walmart truck.
For no reason, we're gonna honk it.
Come on.
There you go.
Yay!
Thanks.
Thank you very much.
Ooh, young. Truck is so nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, you heard the honk?
Yes. Just honked it at us.
Let's see if Amazon truck are nicer
Okay.
than Walmart truck.
Oh, here we go. 3, 2, 1, honk.
Is he looking?
He just looked at me, ignored us.
Nodded, that's it.
Oh,
What?
He just nodded.
he doesn't.
Nodded. Like, yeah, and then
And no reason he didn't
He didn't
honk.
honk.
He didn't honk. Oh, a new truck.
Comes a new one.
Yay.
Amazon truck are not nicer
Alright, guys.
than Walmart. Let's see.
3, 2.
Guys.
Here's truck. Here we go.
he
Yay!
was prepared for that one.
Thank
He
you.
just prepared it right at. And he just saw us very early, and then he honked it for no reason. Another truck. 3, 2, 1. Go! Honk! Honk in the truck!
Oh, he doesn't want to do.
What'd he do?
Doesn't
Just kind
know.
of like waved like,
He just waved it like
He just
no.
wave. It's okay. At least Walmart truck is so nice and the other truck is so nice, but not Amazon truck.
Yeah!
It didn't honk on us.
Yeah. For no reason.
Mm-hmm.
He didn't honk. And that was not enough.
Tyson truck. We'll see if you're gonna honk. I don't think he was gonna honk.
Try.
3, 2, 1. Honk!
Go.
not paying attention.
She's not listening.
Maybe
There you go.
He honked.
the Tyson truck honked
Hear it back?
when we left.
He honked.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and it's time for this just time truck. We gotta get it.
Virginia, let's stop distracting the trucks, okay?
Why?
It's funner to distract them.
Let's just concentrate on driving.
You're not driving.
Doesn't matter. I'm the boss.
That's true.